This is 12 News Now. I'm Leah Crowley. We are working breaking news. We have learned that a 21-year-old Salve University student died Monday night after they were found unresponsive in a vehicle. Newport police said first responders found Joseph Boutros inside the vehicle while charging his phone. The vehicle's exhaust pipe was covered in snow. Boutros was rushed to the hospital where he was pronounced dead due to accidental carbon monoxide poisoning. With the deep and drifting snow, it's very important to make sure that exhaust pipes and vents by your house are clear to prevent carbon monoxide poisoning. We'll continue tracking this story on air and on WPRI.com. In the newsroom, I'm Leah Crowley, 12 News Now.